Welcome to Global Feed. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more breaking updates. In international relations, power isn't just about speeches or trade agreements, it's about who commands the skies and who can project strength at a moment's notice. Air superiority has become a symbol of national prestige and a tool for shaping the global order. The United States just scored a major diplomatic victory, quietly persuading Saudi Arabia to turn away from purchasing advanced Chinese fighter jets. This move didn't make headlines, but its impact is enormous. This isn't just another arms deal, it's a pivotal maneuver in the ongoing US-China rivalry for global influence and technological dominance. Every decision like this shifts the balance of power. Saudi Arabia had been seriously considering the F-17 Thunder, a fighter jet co-developed by China and Pakistan. For Beijing, this would have been a breakthrough, an opportunity to expand its military footprint in the Middle East and showcase its growing aerospace industry. But the US, Saudi Arabia's longtime security partner, moved quickly. Washington offered the cutting-edge F-35 Lightning II, a jet packed with stealth technology and advanced avionics, making it one of the most coveted aircraft in the world. The message from Washington was unmistakable: choose the F-35 or risk losing access to America's most advanced military technology and the security guarantees that come with it. For Saudi Arabia, this decision was about more than just hardware. It was a statement about its future alliances, its place in the world, and its commitment to a strategic partnership with the United States. Washington's satisfaction is obvious. This was a calculated geopolitical maneuver, not just a business win. It's about keeping allies close and rivals at bay. The stakes are high: maintaining a military edge, protecting sensitive technology, and reinforcing alliances that shape the future of global security. Every decision echoes far beyond the runway. In this high-stakes game, every jet sale is more than a transaction. It's a strategic move in a much larger contest for world leadership, influence, and the power to shape tomorrow's world. To understand the stakes in this high-tech arms race, let's compare the jets at the heart of this contest. Two aircraft that represent not just different nations, but different visions for the future of air combat. The F-17 Thunder is a capable, affordable fourth-generation fighter, popular with countries seeking a cost-effective upgrade to their air forces. Designed jointly by China and Pakistan, it offers solid performance, modern avionics, and a flexible weapons loadout, making it attractive for nations with limited defense budgets. But the F-35 is a leap ahead, a fifth-generation stealth jet, a flying supercomputer designed for information dominance. It's not just a fighter, it's a networked platform, able to gather, process, and share battlefield data in real time. Its stealth and advanced sensors give pilots a panoramic view of the battlefield, sharing data seamlessly with allies and providing unmatched situational awareness. The F-35's helmet alone is a marvel, projecting critical information directly onto the pilot's visor. The F-17 is an evolution of proven designs. The F-35 is a revolution, redefining what a fighter jet can do in the 21st century. That's why the US guards its F-35 technology so fiercely, restricting access and enforcing strict security protocols to prevent any leaks. Mixing Chinese and American jets in the same airspace risks exposing F-35 secrets to Beijing, whether through electronic surveillance, close observation, or even cyber espionage. The US offer to Saudi Arabia was simple and uncompromising: you can't have both. Choosing the F-35 means walking away from Chinese hardware. By putting the F-35 on the table, the US forced out the Chinese alternative, making it clear that access to America's best technology comes with strings attached. This wasn't just about selling jets, it was about keeping America's technological edge razor sharp and ensuring that rivals don't catch up. For the Pentagon, blocking Chinese hardware is as crucial as selling American hardware. It's a strategic move to shape the future of global air power. The goal is clear: keep the tech gap wide, and the F-35 secrets safe from prying eyes, no matter the cost. In this contest, technology is the ultimate trump card, and whoever holds it, holds the future of air dominance. In modern warfare, technology is the ultimate advantage. The US has poured decades and trillions into systems like the F-35, making them the crown jewels of national security. The real fear isn't just losing a sale, it's losing the edge. Integrating Chinese jets with American systems could open the door to espionage, giving Beijing a front-row seat to US capabilities. This isn't hypothetical, it's a core concern in cyber and electronic warfare. The US already removed Turkey from the F-35 program, over similar fears with Russian systems. Allowing the JF-17 into Saudi airspace would repeat that mistake. Protecting these secrets is non-negotiable for US planners. Blocking Chinese jets is about preserving the F-35's undetectable edge. If rivals learn to counter it, America's advantage vanishes. In this arena, every technological secret is a piece of the global power puzzle. Arms deals are more than transactions. They're powerful statements on the world stage, shaping alliances and signaling intentions to friends and rivals alike. They're declarations of trust and alignment, binding nations together in ways that go far beyond the paperwork. Buying American jets means joining the US security ecosystem. It's an entry ticket to a network of shared intelligence, advanced technology, and mutual defense. It comes with training, technical support, and decades of partnership, ensuring that both sides grow stronger together. This bond can last as long as the aircraft themselves, sometimes even longer, shaping generations of military cooperation and shared strategy. A Saudi pivot to Chinese jets would have signaled a major shift toward Beijing, sending shockwaves through diplomatic and military circles. That's why the US fights so hard to remain the supplier of choice for its allies, knowing what's truly at stake. Each sale cements American influence, weaving a web of relationships that stretch across continents. It ensures allied forces can operate together seamlessly, sharing tactics, technology, and trust in high-stakes situations. A Chinese sale would fracture this delicate balance, introducing incompatible technology, rival influence, and uncertainty into established partnerships. For China, breaking into the Saudi market would be a geopolitical coup, a chance to expand its reach and reshape the region's power dynamics. It would open doors for more sales, deeper ties, and a stronger foothold in the Middle East. By blocking the deal, the US reinforced its role as the region's security anchor, reminding allies where their long-term interests lie. In the end, every jet sale is a move in the global struggle for influence, each decision shaping the future of international power and partnership. The Saudi jet deal is just one front in a much broader US-China rivalry. Washington is increasingly wary of China's expanding global reach, from tech to real estate. In Utah, officials blocked a Chinese state-owned company from buying land near a key airport, fearing espionage. AVIC, the company behind the JF-17, is on US watch lists for its military ties. Across America, lawmakers are restricting land sales near sensitive sites to companies linked to adversaries. It's a new battleground, one fought in land registries, not just in the skies. The US sees these moves as part of China's playbook, gaining footholds, gathering intelligence, and challenging American power. Blocking these advances at home and abroad is now central to US strategy. Military tech deals are powerful tools for building alliances. Selling the F-35 isn't just a business move, it's a profound act of trust, integrating partners into America's security network. These deals create decades-long bonds, with allied pilots and leaders training side by side. Shared technology means shared doctrine and seamless cooperation in crises. Interoperability turns separate militaries into a unified force. Denying top-tier tech can signal strained relations or mistrust. The US's decision to offer the F-35 to Saudi Arabia marks a strategic shift, reinforcing a key partnership. China wants the same influence, using arms sales to export its own ecosystem and build lasting ties. Every nation that chooses a Chinese jet moves closer to Beijing's orbit. The battle for contracts is a battle for the future shape of global alliances. This US-China tech rivalry isn't just a distant chess match, it affects lives everywhere. American jet sales mean jobs and a stronger industrial base at home. Maintaining a tech lead underpins US security and deters conflict. Blocking China from strategic gains helps preserve a world order favorable to American interests. For allies like Saudi Arabia, these choices shape their military, economy, and politics for decades. The rivalry influences global trade, tech standards, and even daily life. The block jet sale is a snapshot of a defining global struggle. The world's future, its peace, prosperity, and freedom, hinges on these high-stakes decisions. This story is still unfolding, and its outcome will shape generations to come.